So here we are at in Michael's office. He's hard at work. Work day. It's what is it? It's Tuesday. Yeah.
Tuesday, July 7th.
Tuesday, and that happens to be somebody else's birthday. But we're wishing Ray a happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ray. Have a great day, my friend.
See you soon.
Happy birthday, Ray. Also, happy National Kebab Day. Happy Pina Colada Day. And of course, happy National Kitten Day.
Happy birthday, Ray! Happy birthday gifts from our little crazy furry family. Thank you so much for being part of our family. You mean so much to all of us. And we wish we were there to celebrate, but we wish you birthday wishes and many, many, many more. Oh.
Happy birthday, Ray! Happy birthday, Ray! Happy birthday, Ray! Happy birthday,
Feliz cumpleaños, que cumpla muchos años más, Ray. Gracias por todo, pura vida.
Happy birthday.
Ray, you always say we treat you like family. But of course we treat you like family. You are part of our family. Happy birthday. We love you.